Alright, now we'll be unboxing the Crunchyroll Hime, I'm assuming. This is like Crunchyroll's mascot. I think it's normally on the store for like 50 bucks. I got it for free for spending $150 on the store as for a promotion. And that's probably good because I definitely would not spend $50 on this. Especially when it's not even like an actual real character. Okay, oh boy, this is much more complicated than I anticipated. Oh dear. Make sure you open it like this because all its contents fall apart. Alright, so we have a leg, a sassy leg, yo, with her bent arm. We have a little kitty. Winky face. Alright, at least the figure is in nice. I will say, okay, it looks better in life than it did in the picture or on the box. Oh geez, its hair, it's flying off. Okay, so its hair is on a swivel, so if you like her ponytail down or in the wind, it doesn't matter because I can't get this I'm such a liar. Alright, and now it looks like she's wearing a plastic poncho. Oh, like, yeah. Let's just pull some stuff off and just hope it comes off. So that's the cool thing about this plastic. It seems you just give it a tug and it will break. Alright, so this is Hime. She can do this. Her right leg seems to have movement, but not her left. Her head, up and down, up and down, up and down. Stiff movement there. Both arms. She can go left to right with her head. So her skirt turns. And so you can pose the figure. I don't see how it's going to stand up. Oh, wait, there is a stand, it looks like. Okay. Okay. Let's just rip that tape. The Crunchyroll book. I don't know. And then her, yeah. There's more in here. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, this. What the heck is this? Oh wait, we do have instructions, making it the first figure I've ever had with instructions. This says we could pull off her right hand. Well, now I'm already lied to because, oh my gosh, there goes that. So if we want her to be all fist pumpy, which I don't, I hate it, I could rip off her leg, which feels very uncomfortable. Okay, everything is removable with enough force. So you don't actually want to remove her right leg. If we want her to be bent like that, and we want her to have her hand like yay, and we want her to be holding the Crunchyroll book, do we though? Man, f that thing. And yet that hand comes off for what? What is any of this? Her face comes off, but how do you put her face on? You need to take the hair off. What is this? What is any of this? I don't want to rip her head off. Oh my goodness. So that's how that works. So this slides in and out, for starters. but not very easily. Oh, man. Oh, okay. Do we like the wink better? I don't know if it's worth the stress to put it back. Okay. There we go. So her hair, the front half pulls out. This also says to pull her hand off, which can't be pulled. Oh, yes, it can. So literally, you could just pop off anything you want on this thing. I'm not a fan of figures you have to set up or like compose, because I just don't like to. Like, I want, like, whatever I got, I want it to be that, because I'm always going to wish that it was something else. All right, so she has that. Now I can give her Crunchyroll diploma. Hooray. If I want, I could bust that off and do the Yahoo pose. Yes! According to the directions, the cat is just there for show. I want the cat to be the vital piece. So we have a little hole in her back. And the thin plug goes into that. If you can't tell, that's this one right here. Okay. Oh! Doesn't seem to fit snug because her little bow is there. All right. Then you adjust that to, I guess, wherever you want it. Oh, this thing is very customizable. Okay. Da-da-doo! Oops.
Yeah, Crunchyroll. That's morbid.
Okay, it's actually a pretty nice figure.